Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to make a group chat with character AI. So, do you ever wanted to chat with multiple AI characters at once? In this video, I'll show you how to create a group chat in character AI step by step. So simply, first open the character AI app on your phone, or you can just simply go on your browser and search character AI character.ai. Group chat only works on mobile, so make sure you're using the app and log into your account. Tap on create group chat. Give your chat a name and hit continue. Now search for AI characters and add up to 10 bots to your chat. You can also invite real friends by sending them an invite link. Once your chat is live, you can add or remove characters anytime, invite or remove human participants as needed, and you can also leave the group if you no longer want it. And that's it. Now you can chat with multiple character AIs with real-time friends in one place. I hope this video was helpful for you in creating a character AI account and to create a group on character AI. And with that, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.